Number 5.
What's up? I'm Pedro. Me and my crew, Astrid and Hassan, got two problems. Every time we see a squirrel, we have to chase it. Sometimes we run so far, we get lost. Did you know that every second, a dog runs away and never comes back? Darn those squirrels. I have a heart disease that no one knows about. I try to tell my humans about it, but they don't understand what I'm saying. It's time for change. I want to keep me and my crew safe so that we can continue hanging out in the park. This is how. Tracy is an accessory that you put on my dog collar. It'll track my position and also measure my health condition. To use it, simply turn on your base and attach the Tracy tracker to my collar. Now, you can see where I am in the Tracy app, anytime, anywhere, in real time. You can also create safety areas. If I would ever walk outside of the safety area, you would get a message from the Tracy app. Tracy can also measure my activity, like when I walk, sleep, play, run, drink, and eat. You can also teach the app new activities specific for me, like when I wave at you. Using this data, Tracy will help you detect early warning signs of disease, so I can stay healthy and live longer. Also, Tracy has the longest battery life in the world and is the smallest long-range tracker ever made. Humans, it's time for you to understand our barking. The dog revolution is on. Tracy is fully developed and ready for mass production. All we need is the money to start. Now, you...
Number 4.
A couple years ago, we set out to build a family of affordable yet high-quality smart weather stations. And we've done it. Our weather stations are simple to install, require almost no maintenance, and automatically connect with your smartphone, your smart home, and the internet. They're better than other stations sold at twice or 3 times the price. Finally, you can have useful weather information from your own backyard. This is air. Air measures temperature, atmospheric pressure, and relative humidity. And air does something else special. It detects lightning. It'll not only alert you when lightning strikes, but it'll estimate the strength and distance of the storm up to 25 miles away. And it'll tell you how fast the storm is approaching. Just set it outside in the shade. Air has a battery that'll last years, and it connects wirelessly to your smartphone, tablet, or home network. You don't have to think about it. When there's something you need to know, it'll alert you. You can also view your data anytime through our Smart Weather app, as well as other popular weather apps like Weather Underground. And this is Sky. Sky measures sunlight, solar radiation, including UV index. It also does 2 really cool things. It measures rain and wind with no moving parts. Unlike old school tipping buckets that can break or fill with things other than rain, Sky senses each individual raindrop using an innovative haptic rain sensor. It can alert you the instant it starts to rain, tell you how hard it's raining, and how much it rained yesterday or last week. Sky also measures wind speed and direction using an array of sonic transducers. This sonic anemometer is better in many ways than traditional spinning cups, and usually only available in much more expensive systems. Like air, Sky comes with a long life battery and is completely wireless. Also like air, Sky is simple to install. Just find a spot with a clear view of the sky. Both Sky and Air work with all the popular smart home platforms, so you can do all those nifty smart home things, like reminding you to put on sunscreen when the UV index is high, delaying your sprinklers when it rains, optimizing your air conditioning system to save money, turning on your lights when the sun goes down, or closing your garage door when the wind kicks up. If you've made it this far, congratulations, you're a certified weather geek, just like all of us at Weatherflow. We're on Indiegogo now because we want you to be the first to get your hands on one of our new weather stations, and because we need your feedback. As we finalize production details on the hardware and in the app,
Number 3.
Feeling safe and secure is one of the essential parts of what makes a house feel like a home. Orbee is a Wi-Fi connected robotic ball equipped with an HD camera and an array of environmental sensors so you can monitor your home while you're away. However, with security systems costing in the hundreds and thousands of dollars, this is a part of their home that is often neglected. Orbee is able to protect your home with only one unit because it's the only system that can freely move from room to room. With Orbee's modular design, you can customize it to your individual needs, swapping out different panels that provide specific functionality. Orbee is equipped with a high-definition camera, microphone, speaker, and is accessible from any device no matter where you are. Orbee offers innovative features at an accessible price point. Even the more inexpensive home monitoring devices require multiple cameras and sensors, defeating the purpose of being an affordable security solution. Orbee is the new industry standard for home security and will give you security knowing that your home is protected.
It's a smart home monitoring device that will give you peace of mind when you're away from your home.
Most home monitoring devices these days requires multiple cameras to be installed in each room. This makes it unaffordable and very hard to install.
Our team came up with an idea to make a home monitoring system that is affordable and easy to install, and can still provide all the functionalities of a sophisticated home monitoring system. What sets our
Number 2.
I came up with the idea for a translator when I met a French girl. That's really where the story starts. I was on vacation and I met this girl. It was difficult for us to communicate because she didn't speak English very well. And even when we tried to find a solution, like using some translation app to communicate, it was horrible. Look, if you and I are speaking and our phones are in our face like this, forget it. This is a wall. We're out of this real world interaction. But this, in your ear, puts us right back in it. Elodie, put this in your ear.
Je mets ça dans mon oreille,
Yeah, put it in your ear.
comme ça.
Yeah.
Ok.
Can you hear me in French?
Pouvez-vous me entendre en français?
Mais je peux t'entendre parler français. Mais c'est
Yes,
génial.
I can hear you talk
Mais,
French.
attends, comment ça se fait? C'est
But this is awesome. But how you do it?
Yeah, it's translating. It's translating. This little wearable uses translation technology to allow two people to speak different languages, but still clearly understand each other. Simply put, when one person speaks, the other hears it in their language.
Developing the pilot has been an intensive process. Our team's been working on it for over 2 years. Andrew is our original co-founder and oversees product development. I'm an electrical engineer and expert in manufacturing. We also have a mechanical engineer, software engineer, PhD in machine translation, as well as an industrial designer. Our wide breadth of experts has allowed us to develop a product from the ground up.
We wanted to create something that hugs the curves of the ear without being obtrusive. Something snug but fashionable to wear. In the process, we just decided to throw in an extra earpiece for wireless streaming music. That means the full system includes 2 earpieces and its accompanying app. It's from the app itself where all of the languages are uploaded to the earpiece. It's kind of an end-all solution for the traveler or the international professional. That's what we're doing here at Waverly Labs. It's simply the most advanced communication wearable. This Indiegogo campaign helps us finish what we started. We can get the earpieces along with the
Number 1.
Le concept est sympa, je trouve ça extra. C'est pas mal. Ça marche bien, c'est assez réactif. Ouais, très enthousiaste.
C'est vraiment naturel en fait. C'est un super produit.
Surprenant, moderne, facile,
Très agréable.
pratique, sécurisant.
Sécurisant.
Sécurisant, oui.
Je trouve ça génial.
Hey, I'm Romain Duflo, I founder and CEO, So I follow some fighter pilot courses, and this is basically where everything started. We took fighter pilot technology to adapt it to any single helmet. Why? Because it's kind of hard to stay focused when you ride. When you want to read your smartphone information, GPS, everything goes like this, and you need to go that way. So in 2016, we adapted the technology so that it fits every single helmet, motorcycle helmet. So this is the first prototype. It's a total internal reflection optic, and it's basically handmade. It's a garage thing. So in 2017, we launched the first commercial product. This product, so the optic unit, the sound system, you have voice control. We have sold more than 1 million euros of product right now. And we are currently integrating the smallest screen on the market. This is the screen that we are using. Have a look how small it is. Here we are in the prototyping and pre-production launch room. So we are designing 3D printing here. We're designing our own electronics boards. This is actually our car product. We've just made an Indiegogo campaign, so it's a 250,000 euros pre-order campaign. So that's kind of cool. So as you can see, we're shipping a whole bunch of products right now. So see those stuff here. So happy to introduce the team. So we have customer support here, both motorcycle and car product. We have engineering and developer team here. So backend, frontend, Android, iOS, everything is done here. And here is the most interesting part also with mechanical design, optical design. So we're testing a lot of helmet to ensure that the compatibility is fine. And I'm going to show you the V2 product while we're here. It fits in more helmets. It's nicer. The optics is way better. It's actually an OLED screen. It's way brighter. The field of view is way bigger. It's more transparent. It fits in all kind of helmets. So we are launching Kickstarter to bring